Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
This guide shows how to change font size in Elementor quickly and reliably. We will cover widget controls, global settings, and responsive adjustments. Follow these steps and you will control text at 16px, 125m, or 18px precisely. I will explain when to use px versus rem or m for consistent typography. You will learn to set defaults for the site and override them for specific widgets. By the end, you will confidently manage sizes across all viewports. Open Elementor and select the text widget you want to change now. Click the Style tab and open the Typography section to reveal size controls. Enter a numeric value with units, for example 16px or 125m, and press Enter to apply. Use the responsive icon next to size to set desktop, tablet, and mobile sizes separately. Preview each breakpoint to ensure legibility at 16px on desktop and 14px on mobile. Save changes when you are satisfied with the look. To create consistent typography, open Site Settings and choose Global Fonts. Set base sizes for primary, secondary, and text elements like 16px or 18px there. If you need fine control, add custom CSS to a widget or global scope with font size, 18px or font size, 125 rem. Remember to also set line height and letter spacing to match. For example, 5 line height improves readability at 16px. Save your global settings and then test pages to confirm uniform appearance across the site.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.